in diversity in living things and their classification. Today we will learn need for classification of plants. Up to now, information about lakhs of plants has been collected. While studying the diversity in plants, they are classified for the sake of convenience on the basis of the similarity and differences in their structure, their organs and their other characteristics. Therefore, this is needed for classification of plants. The scientist Carolus Linnaeus made the first scientific classification of plants. Initially, it was his method of classification that was used by all. The differences in the shape and height of the plants in our surroundings are known as classification of plants. Let us learn more about them. Trees. Trees are tall, big and perennial. Their stem or trunk is hard and strong. They have branches at some height above the ground. They bear flowers and fruits and also live for many years. Such plants are called trees. Now we know what are trees. Shrubs. Shrubs grow close to the ground. They are shorter and smaller than trees. They give out branches very close to the ground. They also have a thick and hard stem. Shrubs may grow up to 2 to 3 meters. Such plants are called shrubs. Now we know what shrubs are. Herbs. They grow 1 to 1.5 meters tall. Their stems are green and quite flexible as compared to those of trees and bushes. They may live for a few months or up to 2 years. Such plants are called herbs. Now we know what herbs are. Vines or creepers. They need vertical support for growing, while some other spread on the ground. Their stems are very flexible, soft and green. They grow rapidly with the help of a support. Such plants are called vines or creepers. Now we know what vines or creepers are. Life cycle of plants. Plants are classified according to the period of their life cycle, which are annuals, biennials, perennials. The life cycle of plants which is completed in 1 year are called annuals. The life cycle of plants which is completed in 2 years are called biennials. The plants which live for several years and also bear flowers and fruits are called perennials. Plants that bear flowers are called flowering plants. The plants that never bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants may not have organs like roots, stems, leaves. Habitats of plants. Different plants grow in different places. They can be classified according to their habitat or the place where they grow. For example, land, water, marshy area and deserts.